Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Managing your Clash of Clans base layouts is crucial for strategic gameplay and efficient organization. Over time, you might accumulate several experimental or obsolete designs that clutter your editor space. Deleting these unwanted layouts can significantly streamline your base management, making it much easier to find and quickly switch between your most effective defensive or farming setups. This simple process truly helps keep your game experience smooth and focused. Let's dive right into the exact steps. To start, simply tap on your town hall for your home village or your builder hall if you're managing a builder base layout. Once selected, a menu will appear on the screen. Locate and tap the Layout Editor button, which is clearly displayed, usually near the bottom. This immediately transitions you to the Layout Management screen, where all your various saved base designs are conveniently organized and ready for modification or deletion. It's your central hub for base management. Now that you're in the Layout Editor, swipe horizontally across the bottom to browse through all your saved base designs. Carefully identify the layout you wish to delete from your collection. Once you've located it, look for a small red trash can icon positioned directly on that layout preview. Tap this Delete icon. The game will then ask for confirmation. Press Confirm to finalize the deletion. This action permanently removes the selected layout from your game. Before deleting, remember you cannot remove your currently active layout. You'll need to switch to a different one first if that's the case. Always double-check that you truly no longer need the design, as deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. Furthermore, your active base layout is continuously saved by the game, meaning deleting an old experimental version won't impact your live defense. This provides a safe way to clean up without risking your main setup. Plan accordingly. By regularly deleting outdated or unused layouts, you significantly enhance your overall base management experience. This simple organizational task reduces clutter, making it much quicker and easier to find and apply your best defensive or farming designs. A tidy layout editor truly supports better strategic planning and decision-making within Clash of Clans. Keep your base designs fresh and relevant, always ready for battle. Thank you for watching this guide.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.